So in today's video, we're gonna talk about a very special vitamin which is essential for your skin health, and it also delays your skin's aging process. Yes, delays your skin's aging process. So if you wanna learn, keep on watching. So let's talk about this special vitamin. So what is this special vitamin? This special vitamin is called provitamin B5 or panthenol. So what makes panthenol so special? Panthenol has got two main functions. The first function of panthenol is it works as a humectant. So what is humectant? So what panthenol does, it attracts the water from the environment and it locks the water in your skin, providing your skin intense hydration and moisture, and hence reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And the second main function of panthenol or provitamin B5 is it improves your skin's barrier function. So it helps your skin fight against the environmental damages like the damage from the UV exposure, the damage from the dust, bacteria, damage from the harsh climate like too hot, too cold weather. So vitamin B5 actually is a very important vitamin we should be including in our skincare. So for a while I have been looking for a skincare product with provitamin B5, and I actually found a really good product with provitamin B5. So the product which I found is from Drunk Elephant, and it's their B-HYDRA Intensive Hydration Serum. So the main ingredient in this serum obviously is provitamin B5. And it has got a couple of other really good ingredients I would like to share with you. The other really good ingredient in this product is pineapple ceramides. So what pineapple ceramide does, basically what ceramides do, ceramides are those little bricks which makes your skin, and they improve your skin's barrier function. They lock the water in your skin and won't allow the water loss through your skin, and obviously they protect your skin against the environmental damages. The other really good ingredient in this product is sodium hyaluronate. So sodium hyaluronate has got a less molecular weight compared to hyaluronic acid. We all know hyaluronic acid is really good product or agent because it absorbs in your skin easily and it provides your skin intense hydration. So what sodium hyaluronate does, it has got even smaller molecular weight. It absorbs into your skin even more quicker than hyaluronic acid and provides more hydration and more moisture to your skin. So another really good ingredient. And another ingredient I found in this intensive serum is barberry extract. So what barberry extract does? Barberry extract is antibacterial agent. So it helps your skin fight the minor skin infections. So yeah, overall really good ingredients in this product. And if you see this product, I'll put it on my hand. It's very lightweight and it absorbs in your skin very quickly and provides your skin intense hydration and moisture. And I would say it is really good for people who suffer from dry skin, rough skin, and scaly skin. So really good product, and people who live in the colder countries where it's always chilly, and really good product for that. So I quite enjoyed this product, and Drunk Elephant recommends to use this product along with their vitamin C serum. They say these products complement each other. You guys know how much I harp on about vitamin C, how important vitamin C is for your skin's health and for delaying the signs of aging. So I have been using this product and I have quite enjoyed using both of these products. So yeah, try it out and let me know what you guys think about them. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.